Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to extend the lock screen timeout in this device. So in this device I set the lock screen timeout only for the 15 seconds I think. So after 15 seconds you can see the device will automatically turn off. Just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, the device is turned off. So let me show you how to extend the screen timeout. Go to settings, tap on the option display, scroll down, tap on screen timeout. You can see I set the screen timeout only for the 30 seconds. After 10 minutes we can set the screen timeout. Okay, according to your choice you can select 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So if you want to extend, then up to 10 minutes you can extend the screen timeout. So simply in this way you can extend the screen timeout in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.